thing. Australian government do the right thing. No Olympics in Beijing. Australian government do the right thing. No Olympics in Beijing.
Standard will be hosted the Olympic Games in Beijing 2022 because before they host the Olympic Games in Beijing, they have to host human rights in Beijing, and they have to treat all these minorities up to the freedom and the freedom of speech, and then respect all the values of human beings. And then they just restore whatever they crack down in China, and they bring all the lives who's suffering under the Chinese labor camp, and they murdered and killed thousands and thousands of people. They lost their life. Today, everybody knows there's so many people, they're just losing their organs because the Chinese selling these organs and these lives and human to buy this Olympic game. That's not the right thing. So we just call upon the IOC to understand what you're changing. Have you seen the truth? So that's why, because we strongly today come together here and to say and against no Olympic game in Beijing 2022. We call upon our Australian government, including the Prime Minister, to raise the voice and to stand for the truth. How can China host the Olympic Games in Beijing 2022? There is no human right there. There is no freedom of speech. There is no freedom of media. Then who will watch the Olympic Games? Because people are dying, because people are going to abuse it to human rights. So we say there's no Olympic Games in Beijing 2022. So we committed to against and stand firmly. Definitely there is no Olympic Games in Beijing 2022 because if they really want to host the Olympic Games in Beijing, before they have to respect and value and host the human rights and freedom media and freedom of our religion practice and freedom of our own customs and our traditional things in China. Then all these minorities come together and then we can host the Olympic in Beijing. Unless you don't do that when you have no right to host the Olympic game in Beijing. Definitely clearly say so. We are here today stand on behalf of the people who are voiceless in this world. We are the spokesperson for them, and definitely we commit. Thank you very much for joining here. Definitely our work is going to be working for it, and we call upon everybody to stand firmly. Thank you. Great.
Thank you, Negan. Thank you very much.
Human rights are worth more than gold. Human rights are worth more than gold. We are united. We are united.